If the History panel isn't already open, choose Window, History. Drag the bottom of the panel down so that you can see everything in it. The History panel records the recent actions you've performed on the image. The current state is selected. Click the Blur Gallery state in the History panel. The states below the selected state are dimmed, and the image has changed. The color is gone, as are the brightness contrast settings. At this point, the Difference Clouds filter has been run, and the iris blur has been applied. Everything else has been removed. There are no adjustment layers listed in the Layers panel. Next, click the Modify Channel Mixer Layer state in the History panel. Many of the states are restored. The color has returned, along with the brightness and contrast settings. There are 2 adjustment layers in the Layers panel. However, the states below the one you selected remain dimmed, and the Exposure Adjustment layer is not listed in the Layers panel. You'll return almost to the beginning to apply different effects to the tombstone. Click Difference Clouds in the History panel. Everything following that state is dimmed. Then choose Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Adding noise will give the tombstone a grainier look. In the Add Noise dialog box, set the amount to 3%. Select Gaussian and select Monochromatic. Then click OK. The states that were dimmed are no longer in the History panel. Instead, the History panel has added a state for the task you just performed, Add Noise, following the state you had selected, Difference Clouds. You can click any state to return to that point in the process, but as soon as you perform a new task, Photoshop deletes all dim states. Now choose Filter, Render, Lighting Effects. In the Options bar, choose Flashlight from the Presets menu. In the Properties panel, click the Color Swatch. Select the light blue color and then click OK. In the image window, drag the light source to the upper third of the tombstone, centered over the letters RIP. In the Properties panel, change the ambiance to 46. Click OK in the Options bar to accept the lighting effect settings. The tombstone is ready to join the others in your movie poster. Save the file and then choose Window, Arrange, Tile All Vertically. With the Move tool, drag the tombstone you just created to the movieposter.psd file. Click OK if you see a color management warning. Drag the tombstone to the bottom left corner, with the top third of it showing. Then choose File, Save to save the movieposter.psd file. Then close the t1.psd file without saving it.